Good afternoon, my turtle ducks. Thank you for joining me today. Last time we talked about the essentials for cleaning, so today let's start with some cleaning basics. Alright, to start, let's get rid of all the major trash just to get that out of our way. With that done, you want to start from the top and work your way down. In my house, we do have a number of very industrious cobweb spiders, so I started the ceiling line to take all the cobwebs down. While I'm there, I like to do the tops of door frames and windows. If you have any ceiling fans or light fixtures, dust those either with a soft cloth or your feather duster. If you have cabinets or tall bookshelves or other tall furniture, dust the tops and sides of those too. I like to have glass cleaner on hand to clean the windows, so I do a whole level at once. I use my ammonia-based cleaner and either a paper towel or a denim cloth, again, wiping from the top to the bottom to prevent streaks. Once you've gotten all your wall and wall adjacent surfaces at your hip height or higher, it's time to move to hip height or lower. So tables, lower cabinets, buffets, this one's quite stuck on, and other surfaces. Now I do want to take a moment here. If you don't have surface-specific cleaners, let's talk about what you'll use instead. If what you are cleaning is painted, like a wall or a windowsill, you can either use just a little water or diluted vinegar. You don't want to soak it. Use your spray bottle to give a little mist. We're just breaking up any solids or oils stuck to the surface. We don't want to dissolve the paint. If you're on plain or lacquered wood, you can use a damp cloth. Don't apply the water directly. We don't want it sitting on the wood, or it could cause staining. For glass surfaces such as windows, picture panes, TV screens, mirrors, or other glass items you won't be eating or drinking from, you want an ammonia-based cleaner. This will help break up oils and prevent streaking. Now, back to cleaning. So many of us have more than just tables and chairs in our house. So now we're going to clean those too. Lamps, any screens that you have, if you have any books on display, either on tables or on bookshelves, we're going to dust those as well. Most days you will only need to tidy and straighten chairs to make sure they are in their proper place. But if you have cushioning on your chairs or sofa, they will eventually get dirty. If the cushions are removable, simply take off the cushion slip and wash it. If you are interested, my turtle ducks, I can go a little deeper into how to clean attached pieces and replace fabric on simple chairs and benches in a different video. Finally, once we have cleaned all our surfaces, our floors will be quite dirty, which is why we save our floors for last. When sweeping and mopping, you want to start in the farthest wall and end in a doorway. This will help you keep from tracking anything on your feet or on your shoes through your freshly cleaned areas. You'll want to sweep quite frequently and mop a little less so. Frequency will be quite dependent on your lifestyle. If it's just you and you take your shoes off before coming into your home, you may only need to sweep a couple of times a week or mop once or twice a month. If you have a lot of people coming in and out at all times or a lot of pets, you may need to sweep every day and mop multiple times a week. With all that done, we have finished this room. It wasn't super dirty to begin with, but it is easier if we keep it tidy. In this way, we can pace ourselves and keep a tidy, healthy home without overexerting ourselves. That's it for today. I think I'll have a nice cup of tea. Why don't you take a break as well? If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them below or ask me a telonym. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, be kind, my turtle ducks, to others and to yourselves.